Okay, students, today now in this lecture we will learn more about the patent ductus arteriosus. Patent ductus arteriosus અને શું કહેવાય PDA શોર્ટમાં, બરાબર ને? ઓકે, આપણે બ્લડ ફીટલ સર્ક્યુલેશનમાં શીખી ગયા હે ને કે 3 important structures are there. In that one of this is ductus arteriosus. No, ductus venosus is there and foramina ovale. So this disease condition is mainly related with the ductus arteriosus. Ductus arteriosus, you remember where it is? The extra blood is bypassed from pulmonary artery into the aorta, and that is closed at birth, correct? Okay, so this is condition in which the fetal ductus arteriosus fail to close within the first week of the life. We learned that at birth, soon after birth, within 1 week it closes completely. This allows the blood flow from the higher pressure to the lower pressure pulmonary artery, causing the left to right shunt. એટલે કે જન્મ સમયે આ ડક્ટસ આર્ટેરિયોસિસ જે બંધ થઈ જવો જોઈએ થતો નથી, ખુલ્લો રહે છે, હે ને? ખુલ્લો રહે એટલે શું થાય? આઓર્ટામાં હાઈ પ્રેશર ઓફ બ્લડ. With the high pressure of blood, the blood flows from the aorta into the pulmonary artery. આઓર્ટામાં કયું બ્લડ જાય છે? ઓક્સિજનેટેડ બ્લડ. એટલે ઓક્સિજનેટેડ બ્લડ પાછું ક્યાં પડશે? પલ્મનરી આર્ટરીમાં, અને પલ્મનરી આર્ટરીમાંથી ફરી ક્યાં જાય છે? લંગ્સમાં. સો ધીસ રિપીટેડલી અકર્સ અગેન એન્ડ અગેન. એટલે બેબી ગેટ્સ લેસ અમાઉન્ટ ઓફ ઓક્સિજન and the lungs get again and again the more overload it has to work so much. Why? Because it has pumped, the heart has pumped the purified blood, oxygenated blood into the aorta, and from the aorta again it falls back into the pulmonary artery. So this is the disease condition. You understood, no? Okay, now in this picture you see, then you will understand much better. Okay, what happens here is this. Let's see that okay, this is normal heart. Okay, normal. Okay, what happens? It closes down here at birth. This, no, it closed down, no opening. But in patent ductus arteriosus, what will happen? This is in fetal life normal. Okay, but in after birth, no, if it remains open, now here it remains open, this did not get closed down, you saw this. So now what will happen? As I said that in the aorta, no, this is aorta, so in the aorta is the high pressure of the blood, no, so this high pressure of the pressure, so the blood flows back arm. આ શું છે? પલ્મનરી આર્ટરી. ઓકે, સો ધીસ હેપન્સ અગેન એન્ડ અગેન. એટલે આઓર્ટામાં ઓછું બ્લડ, ઓક્સિજનેટેડ બ્લડ ઓછું જાય, અને બ્લડ ઓક્સિજનેટેડ બ્લડ, સમ ઓફ ધ બ્લડ ફોલ્સ બેક ઇન્ટુ ધીસ આર્ટરી એન્ડ ગોઝ ઇન્ટુ ધ લંગ્સ. સો લંગ્સ હેઝ ટુ overwork, correct? Fine. Now let's see the pathophysiology. Pathophysiology means what will happen if this disease condition occurs. Already I explained in the paragraph, no? So the same thing, that fetal life during the arteriosis connects the pulmonary artery to the aorta. This already I explained, no? So no need for us. Okay, now if it does not closes at birth, no, let us draw a diagram, then you will understand better. Means this is a heart, let's say. Okay, now that this is the aorta, and from here pulmonary artery. Okay, now here it remains the connection that is had during fetal life, no, between this it remains open. So from the arch of the aorta, this blood comes into the pulmonary artery and into the lungs it goes. Okay, so what happens here? The pulmonary artery gets extended, enlarged, and in return what also? The lungs. Okay, the lungs also have to overwork. Okay, and also oxygenated blood again and again it enters into the pulmonary circulation. Okay, then in return what happened? Increased volume load on the left heart, and then increased volume resistance and congestion is there, and then increased right pressure, right ventricular pressure and hypotropic. Why? Indirectly what will happen in this diagram again, let's see. Then this pulmonary artery, no? So I said that in pulmonary artery again and again the blood comes. Now this pulmonary artery gets extended, means so much enlarged, congestion, so some of the blood in here also, no? So it will flow back here. So it says that the right ventricular also, there is the blood flow increases. Why it will increase? Because how much the pulmonary artery has the capacity, that much only it will take to the lungs, correct? The rest of the blood again gets collected here. Okay, so increase blood volume on the here also, and then what will happen? Extra blood going into the lungs, again lungs will purify and empty again and again here. So increased volume load on the left heart also is there. So there is congestion of this part and congestion of the right ventricular also, both. Here it gets congestion, then hypertrophic means what? Enlargement out thase, barabar. Here also because again and again more blood is going into the lungs, so poor lungs it will purify, it will work so hard and send back here into the left atrium, from the left atrium to the right ventricular, correct? So in short we can say the lungs has to work so much, correct? Then pulmonary artery has to carry so much blood, then there is congestion of the ventricles. Okay, so these things happens. Fine. Now let's go ahead. So if this condition is there, patent ductus arteriosus, then which are the signs and symptoms, clinical manifestation will be present. Okay, so as usual depends on the size of the abnormality. If small size, if fully remains open, then more signs symptoms. Okay, if mild defect is there, means just slight remains open, then it will be asymptomatic. Okay, murmur is heard. Now every time I will not explain you all the meaning of the words. Murmur is what? Abnormal sound of the heart. Bounding pulse due to the increased systolic pulse. Okay, bounding pulse means what? Strong throbbing felt over the artery. Why we are feeling? Due to the forceful heartbeat. So much heartbeat is so forceful. Forceful, so you feel throbbing. Apane felt, we can feel over the artery. Then bounding pulse due to the increased systolic pressure is there, then heart rate also increases. Okay, gallop rhythm is there due to the rapid ventricular filling. Our gallop rhythm is what? Gallop rhythm is the rhythm of the heart. So there is 3 or 4 heart sound. Okay, like the gait of gallop, horse, no? So 3 or 4 sounds at a time. Okay, like horse's gallop is heard. So that is called the gallop rhythm. Sorry. Easily baby gets fatigued, tired. Gallop when the horse runs fast, then how the sound, 4 legs, 4 sound at a time, like that. So related to that comes this terminology, gallop rhythm. Then easily fatigued, badak thaki jai. Activity intolerance, baby cannot do much work. Then irritability, child is always irritable, cries. Poor perfusion means what? The parts of the tissue of the skin does not get the adequate blood supply. The blood flow to the tissues and the skin is diminished or very less. That is called the poor perfusion. આગળ જોઈએ કે બેબીઝ કોલ્ડ એન્ડ ક્લેમી. ધેર ઇઝ પલ્મનરી કન્જેશન. પલ્મનરી કન્જેશન એટલે શું? પલ્મનરી આર્ટરી ગેટ્સ ડિસ્ટેન્ડેડ. એક્સપ્લેન ધ ડાયગ્રામ, કરેક્ટ. સો રેસ્પિરેટરી રેટ, rhythm, all this gets increased. Then dyspnea, breathing difficulty, poor weight gain, cough is there, wheezing sound. When baby takes breath, then that sound, whistling sound comes. Okay, diagnose. How we have to do diagnose? History laye, physical examination, okay, head to foot examination, family history, then auscultation, then we will heard all this abnormal murmur sound and other rhythms. Okay, then X-ray will show the cardiomegaly, echocardiogram we can take, cardiac catheterization as usual. Whatever investigation common I taught, that we can go for. Management, how we will manage this? So medical management and surgical management is there. In medical management with the medicine, so here endomethacin 0.1 mg per kg, like that 3 doses at the interval of 12 hours. 12 કલાકે 3 doses. ઓકે, 12 કલાકના ઇન્ટરવલે 3 doses we give, એટલે કે 0.1 mg. જો બેબી 2 kgનું હોય તો કેટલું આપવાનું? 0.2 kg. ઓકે, 0.2 mg આપણે આપીએ એ પ્રમાણે. Then surgical management. In surgical management, okay, when the baby becomes 6 months of age, that time we go for the surgery. In this, what we do? The surgical ligation of PDA via left thoracotomy. Thoracotomy means what? Opening of the thorax, correct? And then surgical ligation of the PDA જે patent ductus arteriosus, જે ductus arteriosus ખુલ્લું છે, બરાબર ને, એને લાઇગેશન એનું આપણે શું કરી દઈએ? બંધ કરીને સુચરી. ઓકે, પછી બીજી સર્જરી ઓલ્સો વિઝ્યુઅલ અસિસ્ટેડ thoracotomy can be done through the thoracoscope. Here through the help of the scope. Okay, a clip is placed over the duct, means no open heart surgery, just with the scope. What the clip or like band, it is put and જે ખુલ્લું છે એને શું કરી દેશે? બંધ કરી દેશે, અથવા તો ક્લિપથી બંધ કરી દેશે. Non-surgical management for mild cases. Okay, so for them coils to occlude the PDA via catheterization. જો માઇલ્ડ કેસીસ હોય, બરાબર, તો કાર્ડિયાક કેથેટરાઇઝેશન દ્વારા આપણે આ જે ખુલ્લું છે, બરાબર ને, એને શું કરી દઈશું? બંધ કરી દેવામાં આવે છે. ઓકે, સો ધેટ્સ ઓલ વિથ ધ PDA. PDA એટલે પેટન્ટ ડક્ટસ આર્ટેરિયોસિસ. In all the heart disease condition, congenital anomaly, the signs, symptoms, investigation, everything is same. Only you have to understand where is the structural malformation, કઈ જગ્યાએ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે. તમને જો ટર્મિનોલોજી આવડતી હશે તો એ ડાયાગ્રામ દોરીને આપણે શીખી લેવાનું, એટલે તમને આવડી જાય. Once you draw the diagram, then you understand that now what will happen. You understand the pathophysiology, then you can write your own way. So that's all was with the patent ductus.